Hi everyone, welcome to this new video lecture of AutoCAD. In this lecture, we will continue our discussion regarding the section of solid, where the section by a plane perpendicular to horizontal plane. And here I have taken a question related to this square prism, in which the base side is given 40 mm, all the sides of the square given 40 mm, axis of the square prism given 60 mm, which rests on its base on the HP, such that one of its rectangular faces is inclined 30 degree to the vertical plane. So one of the face makes an angle of 30 degree to the vertical plane, and it is cut by a section plane. So this is first stage, and this from here the second stage of the question started. Second stage in the sense the sectional plane cut the square prism and which is parallel to the vertical plane, and bisecting the face of the prism which is inclined 30 degree to the vertical plane. We need to bisect the face where it is makes an angle of 30 degree to the reference line, you can say, and draw its sectional front view and top view. Only we need to draw the sectional front view and top view part. So first we need to assure that what is the square prism which is kept on here. You can see this is the square prism is there, but already it is cut by the external sectional plane. If you see here, now suppose this is the square prism is there, square, and this is the axis height, and this is the part is there. Now let me show you. This is here sectional plane or cutting plane which cuts the square prism with an angle of 30 degree, or through the bisecting through the midpoint of that. So we can see here, this is, suppose the object is there, and similarly there is a bisecting cutting plane is there, or section plane is there, which is cutting the object of this square prism. And we need to draw the sectional front view, like from front view what we can observe, and from the top view what we can see. The two things we need to draw. So here from the top view, if you see, only we can see this cutting part. Okay, nothing is visible from apart from that. But front view we can see, if I draw from the front view side, I can see this line, I can see this line, I can see this line, and obviously I can see this third point line also. All these lines we can see in a straight line type, in the rectangular type, and this part we can see the hatching part. So these things we need to draw in the AutoCAD. So actually, okay, let's go for the AutoCAD first. Here I'll create the page by the MB set of paper space no metric scale factor 1. This is 420 and 297, and here let's select the line and just draw a reference line and go for the polygon, number of sides 4, key, select the edge, and draw a what is the base side is there, how much base side 40 mm, so 40 mm, and this reference line a little bit we can take up, and this one we can go for a little bit move to height like this. Now this rectangle we need to make a rotation with an angle of 30 degree with this one. So I'll go for minus 30, I'll keep like this. This a little bit more height was there, so I'll keep it like this. Okay, and after that we just need to draw the vertical projector lines, draw like this, and from each of the corner point we can draw like this. Okay, yeah. And now from here what is the height is there, I hope 60. What is the axis height? 60 mm. Yeah. Now from here we need to join this, so I can make a click here and directly I can join there. I can close it, and next I can join from this corner point also. This will be not visible, so you can make a dotted line this. Okay, this one will do, that one will do later. And what are the parts? Yeah, these things, and this one. What I'll do, I'll just make a highlight of this, and I can change its thickness also. Thickness I won't change right now, I'll just change it color, leave it. Now let me give the dimension of this. So dimension, align dimension, yeah. And now next is linear dimension, axis height is there. And next we can give one more angle, that is this reference line and this 30. And next what we need to do, we need to draw a section line which bisecting the one of the sides here, and you know, from 20 mm, this is 20 in the sense that bisecting means 40 mm total height, total side distance, so here 20 is there. So we need to draw this section line which is parallel to the reference line. So what I'll do, so I'll just draw a line, enter it, select this and just select and keep it here. Okay, and we can reduce the size of this. Yeah, this one I can keep like this. Now this is the reference line for us. Reference line in the sense this is the sectional plane or cutting plane of that. Now I'll change it. Yeah, and this one also you can increase the thickness and change its color. Now from this point we need to draw the sectional line to the up front view, because this is the section line which bisecting that object. So you can draw like this, and this part actually need to be given the hatching lines. So what I'll do, I'll just select the hatching part and I'll select this, all this. Yeah, so this is hatching completed. So now we'll go for, you can just select this hatching part, and if you want to change its thickness, we can change this thickness also, you can change its color also, so that can be given. But what are the highlighting part is there, means from the front view what are the things we can see that can be highlighted, and from the top view we can see this part only, so that can be also given. So let me change its color and thickness also, select the line. So from here I'll just draw the line, remaining line will be as usual. I'll just draw what we can see from the top side. So this is the sectional top view. Similarly front view we can see, these are the parts we can see clearly. So let's draw it, close it, and this line also you can see very clearly. So let's make it, yeah, and this also we can change its color. You can make it red color. Okay, and namings we can just give it this angle, you can just change it to, okay, now it is 45 given, means it is taking, yeah, okay, inclination you can mark it like this. And the next thing is we need to mark the text. So for text also again I'll just make it to normal, and I'll go for this text, and here I can just give the names like, you know, A comma 1, and this is B comma 2, this is our C comma 3, and this is the point D comma 4. Similarly here we need to mark it like, you know, A dash, and this is the last point C dash. Similarly this point is D dash, and B dash is here, B dash. Similarly here we need to mark it 1 dash, and 2 dash here, 2 dash, this is our 3 dash, and 4 is here, 4 dash. Okay, and this is our XY reference line. And apart from that, this bisecting this point also available, so that also you can mark, you can give a point PQRS. Okay, so that what we'll do, PSQR. So here we'll give PSP comma S, and here it is Q comma R, so that we can mark it here, this one P dash, and this point is PQ, Q dash, and this is PQ, this is R point. So this is R dash, and this is S dash. This is all about the texting part. And this one we can give the horizontal trace, so that can be marked. Any other part is there for marking the text, we can mark it easily. But this all are the things regarding the dimensions and sectional views of the object. So I hope we have completed everything, and texting everything we given. Any other thing is there? So mostly I think I have completed all these parts. So here I think you can easily understand how to draw the sectional front view and sectional top view when the section of solid question given. So if you are having any kind of query regarding this, you can give a comment on the comment box. Thank you all.